friends, I hope you all are taking good care of yourself and staying safe. Sooner or later, you'll be planning a vacation with your friends and family, so why not Bali? Today I'm going to share with you all my resources and tricks that I use to plan my vacations, and I'm sure that it will be extremely useful to you. Although Bali is pretty safe and easy to travel to, knowing a few facts and following my simple and genuine travel tips for airlines and hotels will help you get the best out of your Bali trip. You intend to plan your own trip, this video is for you. This will save you money and your valuable time.
I have been planning my travel on my own for many years now, and this has benefited me in all my trips abroad, especially to the US.
So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Let me take you through part 1 of my Bali series, and do not forget to watch my part 2, which will be featuring Nusa Dua, and part 3, which will be my Ubud vlog. So it's a deal. I'll make your travel plans easier and you all will go ahead, plan your trip and make it happen. Planning your own trip is quite enriching, as it is an adventure in itself and gives you freedom to enjoy your trip on your own terms and convenience. Now that you have decided to visit Bali, let me give you facts on how to budget your trip. Firstly comes in planning, the most daunting part of the trip. The task starts with booking flight tickets, accommodation, and last but not the least, the itinerary. Time-consuming task is to contact travel agents, check various websites for competitive airfares. You don't need to do any more of it now, as my hack on low airfares is going to be a boon for you. I had planned my Bali trip in the end of December, the peak season, as that was the only time I could spare from my deadly work routine. Now you can imagine the skyrocketed rates for each and everything in Bali. Hooray! But I managed to grab low fare on my return flight tickets from Mumbai to Denpasar and from Denpasar to Mumbai, which costed me rupees 25,000. Based on my ongoing research and experience, I would highly recommend to use www.easemytrip.com. The link will be given in the description box below. This website will show you low airfares, and I have used this site multiple times to book my airline tickets. So now you know next where to book your flight tickets. You also can avail of discounts offered, that is from rupees 500 to rupees 4,000 depending on domestic or international travel. When I landed at Denpasar, I called for Bluebird taxi. Now here I would suggest and highly recommend to use only Bluebird cabs. Bluebird cab service is the most reliable in Bali, and the drivers are honest. There are many options to find accommodation, but I prefer to use TripAdvisor, and again would highly recommend to use TripAdvisor to hunt good hotels with low rates. As you all, I too am concerned about safety, cleanliness, connectivity and central location when I look for an accommodation, and TripAdvisor will take care of all of this. You can search hotels on TripAdvisor along with the reviews for your concerns. You will never be disappointed, as the reviews are trustworthy. Choosing a type of accommodation really depends on whom you are traveling with. Is it with your friends, family, or just as a couple? We were looking for an centrally located and clean hotel, so I zeroed down on Hotel Adidharma. I was truly satisfied with the Adidharma Hotel ambience, their service. One thing to keep in mind while booking hotels is to book with bed and breakfast, which will save you money and let you enjoy your holiday in an affordable way. Once you're in Bali, you're not to miss the Pamper Yourself therapies available at every nook and corner. Therapies are available from exotic spa package to traditional Balinese massage. As my research kida is always alive, I was amazed and overwhelmed to find the best and the cheapest massage hotspot, the Natural Spa.
As time goes by. Been a long time.
Bali is an shopping paradise for shopaholics, and if you are an art lover, you will fall in love with Bali. Locals here are extremely hospitable and welcoming. My humble request to you all is if you tend to make purchase, please don't bargain with them as the sellers work really hard and they are creative. Their artwork is incredible. Their livelihood depends on tourists as the island thrives on tourism. I guess I have covered all travel hacks for y'all, and if it is useful to you in any way, please subscribe, like and comment and share with your friends. Take care, stay safe and bye.